Hello friends, today Braziliana is here for you to show you a unique art which will be useful for you to keep as a home decor and invent the artist in you as well. I am going to create a beautiful bird painting today which is super easy, fun and will definitely help you in spending a great time with Braziliana. So friends, why to wait? Come up with your brushes, canvases and paints and let's get started. So friends, as usual, I am going to squish my brush like this in a jar of water. I have taken this flat brush friends. This is the Omega brush that I usually use for my painting. And this is a flat brush. I have squished it in a jar of water and now I am going to just take off the extra water and start with my background. So friends, colors that we need for today are purple, white and blue. So friends, let's start with my painting. Red and white, mix them together and then start with my background. See friends, I am just using a little bit of blue color and stop at this point after we are done with the upper part and now I am going to take the purple color friends, blend the two colors like this and then give it a different shade and a texture friends like this. This time too, the white color will be taken and the blending will be effective in this way if we use the purple and the white color together like this. We are going to blend in the purple, blue and the white color like this on the upper part, so that the blending is done in a beautiful way. We are going to cover the whole of the canvas and not leave any part undone so that it appears to be beautiful. See friends, how I have blended the two blue and the purple color. This is what the blending means and this technique is very unique and is the basic of all our paintings. So friends, this way I am going to use more of purple and white color to create the background of the loving painting of two sweet birds. So friends, now we are ready to prepare our foreground on this beautiful background. The colors that we need for today are pink, white, deep green, light green, black and brown. I have also taken a shade of purple color, which is a mix of pink and purple. So friends, let's start. First of all, I am going to create a tree-like structure, friends. For that, I am going to grab a little bit of brown color and a little bit of white too, to create a beautiful tree-like structure like this. Create this kind of a tree-like structure. going to use a little bit of white and brown together. White and brown, friends, to give it a final touch up like this, so that the blending of the colors are seen quite beautifully. So for the flowers, we are going to grab a little bit of salmon pink, friends, and a little bit of purple and white. Salmon pink, purple and white together, friends. Here we are going to create a flowery structure, like this, and this way, friends, this way. Just a flowery structure, so that we are able to create a beautiful scene of the chirping birds, like this, friends. And in the middle part, we are going to use this purple color, so that it appears to be quite realistic and beautiful. So in this way, we can create few more flowers, friends, wherever we find it relevant. Like here, you can create anywhere you want on this platform. And it's very simple. You just have to make this structure just to give it the shape of a beautiful flower. This difference. And then use the purple color, purple and the white color, purple color to create this structure, friends. for the leaf part, friends, I am going to grab deep green color and light green color and white, little bit of white too. So we are going to grab this deep green and we are going to create quite a few leaves wherever we find it relevant. Like here we can create a leafy structure. We can also create a leafy structure here. We'll make two beautiful birds. So friends, I am going to use the black and the white color, more of black and very little on the tip white color, friends. I'm going to give a little texture to this full painting. For that I have used this sponge pens. One side is harder in texture, the other side is quite soft. This is hard. We are going to work on the harder side, friends, the harder side, because it will give it a good texture. So for that, friends, I'll grab a little bit of purple color and salmon pink, this way, friends, both mixed together. This way, friends, and we are going to
just shade a small part wherever you find it relevant to give it a beautiful texture like this. See how I am doing it. I am just using it on the sides to give it a beautiful colorful look to the entire painting. This is signifying the fact that it is quite lively and it is giving it a very good texture, friends. See how I am using this way. See friends, I have used this texture.